So I'm outside of a townhouse that I purchased about 3 months ago. Well, not that long ago. I said 2.5 months ago in Littleton, Colorado. We finished the renovation. If you look at past videos, you can see what it used to look like. With this one, we did kind of a mixture. Like, it wasn't a full-on fix-up like we do with some of the others. And the reason is it's kind of just old enough that some of the fixtures, like that's the original light fixture up there, which is from the 70s. So some of this stuff, because of the design of this house, right, it's very like mid-century modern kind of open ceiling beam and post simplistic design, right? So we staged it with that taste in mind, kept some of the old light fixtures, replaced some of the new. We kind of have a mixture of modern and that more of a 70s look here. And we saved money doing it that way, not just by the light fixtures, but by, and we didn't rip out this wood burning stove. We left it there because someone might think it's cool. And we just put tile underneath. We replaced the tile underneath, and we did new LVP flooring here. We didn't spend money for LVP flooring on this whole main level because it would have been expensive, right? So we got away with kind of going a little bit less expensive on what we did choose to do. Well, I think we'll get away with it. Haven't put it on the market yet. We did replace the cabinets and countertops and appliances. We did put a new white vinyl door here in the back, and we restained the deck, but we did not do a lot of other things. So anyway, let's look around this house quick. We did redo that bathroom upstairs that we just looked at, but we didn't touch. There's one downstairs here, and we didn't touch it. So it's it was remodeled by the previous owner at some point, and so it's not quite the same style as is ideal. But I wasn't going to spend money to remodel something that had already been remodeled, and just I don't think we'll get the money back, right? Maybe I could have got a bump in price of $2,000-3,000 if that was totally new versus still pretty new. But I would have spent $7,000 to get it. So this was, all we did was paint the walls in here. That's it. So closet we got here. It's a huge closet, and there's 2 of them, right? So rather than put shelves in that one, we kind of left it so that, you know, maybe someone wants to use this as a closet, and then they want this guy as like a office or something. So kind of just left it alone. But that's what we're up to with this flip. Not a whole lot to like of huge things I learned or could share with you that can help you with your next project. But hopefully you picked up something from this. Maybe just the idea that you don't always have to replace everything. And if you look at what's there and try to tie as much into the newer style you're doing as possible, it can save you some money and help your bottom line. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. If you haven't already, join our mentorship group. It's free. Just head on over to selfmadeflipper.com and click on the button, and we'll see you inside the group. Thanks for watching.